welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover from without your old phone number in Cash App. First of all, open your Cash App and then go ahead and tap your profile. Next, scroll down or search for support and then tap it. Then after that, you're going to select can't access account. Next, enter your email and all details and enter all the credentials that the app asks you to do. After that, follow verification steps to merge accounts. Safety tip: use real personal info. Cash App checks ownership, so be real. Quick fix: try logging in with old email if phone is gone, and if your email is gone, then try logging in with your phone and vice versa. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.